very enthusiastic about this partnership with the BNF. At the end of the day, as we prepare the proper entry of our Bing search engine fully into the French market, our orientation is to give access to the broadest amount of information that is pertinent and relevant in French society. The BNF has done a lot of work, digitizing works, making them available, dealing with rights holders or not having to because things are in an appropriate phase of their development. Our goal is to give great access from our search engine to the work that BNF has done on the Gallica website, and to make sure that people can find all of this fantastic work to the best of our ability. I think the BNF has shown a lot of wisdom in understanding that there's a lot of different ways in which people might want to find and search for content, and has provided technology which allows third parties like Microsoft and others in a non-exclusive way to write programs like search engines which have programmatic access to be able to present the information to people in a variety of different ways. Concretely, what we will be doing is in a few different areas of Bing. We have a feature we call Instant Answers. We want people to be able to look inside the corpus of information that the BNF has put together. Again, all rights are negotiated and managed and worried about by the BNF, so I'm not worried about them. I know they're properly dealt with, but you can find instant answers from within the Bing experience. We also have a feature that we call visual galleries that give you kind of an interesting way to navigate and explore and what shall I say, kind of in your own way, without searching for a given piece of information, to find and bump into things about which you may have interest and curiosity. We call that visual galleries. We've done that in a number of different areas. In this case, we'll be doing it for books and authors, using the information from the BNF. And I hope and I expect, as we launch Bing in France here in the next few months, we've done a lot of work on the product, but to be able to work with the BNF to provide these great ways to navigate essentially the content that is on Gallica, I think will be fantastic, certainly for all of the users of Bing here in France, and I'm certain also for people who want to, in a variety of different ways, get access to this content. So it is my privilege to have a chance to be here. We are excited to be the first private partner, but I hope will be many for the BNF as it goes down this road, and we'll do our best to provide convenient and interesting access from our search engine to this wonderful content. Thank you.